Hey there, Val fans, and welcome back. Welcome back to Millenaire Explained. I'm just enjoying this lovely courtyard that for some reason doesn't include trees. That's weird. It's a courtyard. Shouldn't it have trees? I've let the village grow a bit. In fact, actually, this is a new world, but I had to update a few things. So it's a new world with a updated village. Check it out. I believe it's done. Let's take a look. Nope. They still got things to do. Stained glass, and stone. Wow, that's a lot of stained glass. Anyways, here we are in an upgraded town, but they still have quests to do. Quests. Now, we spoke a bit about quests previously. And let's go ahead and take a look at another town. Let's see, I've got a Norman town here. I've got an Inuit town right over here. They merged a little bit. I've got them too close. But let's see here. Here we are. Masu farming. Masu are what are also known as Eskimo potatoes. Those are what... Well, here, let's just talk to her. Have you heard of this unusual thing called farming? This land is so blessed that the ground produces food with just a little work. Have what I hear is called a potato and try for yourself. Obtained 1 potato, bring me back 8 potatoes. So she wants you to grow some potatoes. I'm going to cheat a few potatoes in because we don't need to do that here. We're just explaining the quest. Where did you go? Why is there so many people here? Oh my god. Is it snowing? Where did she go? I'll just start right-clicking some of these people. Wow, that's a really old-looking lady. Ooh, what's that? What's that? Oh, that's the hunt. I lost her. The shadow people. Well, anyways, she would have given you some stew for doing it. So let's take a look at the shadow people quest. Where did the shadow people quest go? Right here? We've noticed an unusually high number of what we believe are shadow people, rightfully cursed by Sedna. Can you kill them so we can... and give us their drops? We hear they're called Endermen here. Bring me back 6 of their orbs. So he wants Ender Pearls. Pearl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you dispelled a few of them? Sedna be praised. These orbs have very unusual properties to study. So the quest gave me 1024 reputation and 16 experience for completing. Seems a little low for 6 Ender Pearls, but I guess that's where that is. What else we got here? What else we got? Oh, more Ender Pearls. Or more experience orbs. Where did that Masu farmer go? Masu farming! Haha! Accept quest. Okay, well, wait, was that a different one? Return with the spoils. Proceed with quest. Obtained 2048 reputation and 16 experience. Yeah, that's a bit of a difference. But she gave me some nice Inuit potato stew. See, that one had a reward for doing it. Besides just the experience and reputation. I believe, yes, I have explained reputation in the past. So, let's go ahead and take a look over at some... Actually, we've got another town over the hill here. Planting rice. How about you guys? Fishing. Fishing frenzy. Here's a classic quest. 4 raw fish. Fish. Oh, give it to his wife? Ah, here we are. Here's his wife. Okay, okay. 128 reputation. Nice. So yeah, there's a classic Japanese quest right there, the Fishing Frenzy quest. Please bring back 4 fish. Give it to my wife. Now, I did mention the Alchemist Quest previously. I didn't talk too much about it, but this quest is actually a part of... Oh, when you fail a quest after a certain time period, this is that Masu farmer, you lose reputation. So if you don't complete it in enough time, you lose reputation. So that wasn't the same Masu Farmer quest person. Hmm. I'm looking for the guy that gives the Alchemist Quest. Everyone is off to pray. Off to pray, off to pray. What if I make it night? Aha, here he is, the Alchemist. Okay, so you want to know who in our realms would have any knowledge of this world. So the Alchemist is part of the creation quest for the Normans. The creation quests are a quest chain about people trying to figure out the new Minecraft world that they're in. Because the plot of Millenaire is that these villagers were taken from Earth in the 11th century and sent to Minecraft, and they're just trying to live their lives in this new world with this weird physics. Beware of the guild masters. They always claim to know far more than they do. There's one man that can help you. He claimed to be very wise and educated. He offered to turn lead into gold for our king back in the old world. I always thought he was shady, but maybe there was something to him. Accept quest. He has settled in the wilderness near mountains. He claims he needs peace for his work, but I'm sure he is hiding something. So, what this means is that now there is a quest chain started. So I just accepted to start that quest, and I have to go to the mountains and find where the alchemist has spawned. This can be any mountains in a series of different biomes. So you're going to need to do a lot of exploring. Just explore around until you find him. Yeah, that's a bit of trouble, but oh, what is this? Looks like a Japanese home. What is this doing over here? Anyways, it is a bit of trouble to find him, but oh, it's a bathhouse. Well, that doesn't answer my question as to why it's over here. Oh. It must be close enough to the village. Oh no, a villager died. Anyways, that is quests. Quests are pretty straightforward. What you do is you find someone with that little tag over their head. You accept the quest. You solve it for them. There are quest chains, like the creation quests, that lead you on a series of hoops, and you travel around doing a whole bunch of stuff. But the creation quests, once you have them unlocked for a certain culture, they unlock other things for the villages. So you'll want to get those creation quests done. That's going to be it for me today. Bye, Fel fans! Loving that courtyard.